Welcome back to Foam Rolling 101. Today we're focused on the glutes, a powerhouse muscle group crucial for stability and movement. The glutes are also the muscle group under nearly constant attack from prolonged periods of sitting. Keeping them active and flexible is essential to both balance and overall movement health. We'll be targeting one side at a time, so have a seat on the foam roller and cross one leg into a figure 4 position. You'll lean towards the cross side to isolate the muscles. If you're having a hard time reaching all the way down to the floor, try using a yoga block or a thick book to help. We'll move in small passes back and forth to stimulate blood flow and target muscle tightness in the area. As you roll, pay attention to those tender spots. These are likely adhesions, also known as knots, in the muscle. If left unchecked, they can lead to muscle dysfunction and joint pain. When you find one, pause and add some dynamic movements to mobilize the hip joint. This is also going to help you reach deeper into that muscle tissue. Gently push and pull your knee up and down a couple of times on the knot. This movement is going to help break the knots down and is also going to improve the overall function of your hip joint. Remember, when foam rolling, we want to keep our discomfort at or below a 6 out of 10. If you're operating above that threshold, try a softer foam roller. The glutes are among some of the strongest muscles in the body, and they play a pivotal role in hip and thigh movement. They stabilize your pelvis during activities like walking, running, and climbing. Unfortunately, prolonged periods of sitting can cause these muscles to become tight or underactive, which leads to issues like poor posture, lower back pain, knee discomfort, and diminished athletic performance. Keeping your glutes mobile, strong, and flexible is crucial to your overall movement health. If you're prepping for a workout, spend about 60 seconds on each side. If you're doing this as part of a mobility and injury prevention session, feel free to extend the period as long as you need. Effective foam rolling is a key component in maintaining your muscular health and overall well-being. Thanks for joining, and I look forward to leading you in the next session.